everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your camera on Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser and log into your Google Meet account. Once you open up the web browser, go to the address box and type in meet.google.com and press enter. Log into your Google account if necessary to get to this page. And once you are in, now start by joining in a meeting. Let me just go ahead and click on this new meeting button in order to show it to you. Let me click on start an instant meeting. By default, you'll be able to see that you have your camera popping up in the display. Sometimes you would want to turn off the camera during the meeting for whatever reason. So in that case, all you need to do is go to the bottom of the screen and click on this camera button. And soon after you do that, you have turned off your camera and your profile picture for your Google account will be shown. And as you speak, you'll be able to see that the sound wave is reacting to your sound. That is how you'll be able to turn off your camera during a Google meeting if you don't want anyone to see you for whatever reason you have while on a meeting. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.